Footing is a substructure which is placed below the surface of the ground to transmit the loss to the underlying soil or rock. Its function is to spread the building blocks over a sufficient soil to secure a water bearing capacity. Footing uh, can can be divided into the following class according to the manner in which they receive the loss and is solid or independent footing support and a single column B or other concentric loss. One that support a column is called a single column footing. It is or square something rectangular. A white footing support or wall be extending along the entire length of the way. It is a reinforcer concrete strip wider than the way which distributes the pressures of the way. Combined footing or strap footing are, are used when a footing is not permitted to project. The exterior walls combined footing under two or more columns are also used under closed spans heavily locked interior column when single footing if they were proved work complete or nearly meager and a strap footing consists of two footing uh, connected by a beam called a strap. The single or combined column footing are most frequent. Use tip of a spray for data on soil of reservoir bearing capacity. A continuous footing support a row of three or more columns. A two-way continuum footing consists of continuous footing placed at right angle to each other. Okay, thank you for listening.